Hi everybody, this is a quick video on how to activate, how to install a SIM card, how to switch your cell phone. Alright, quick video. First thing you'll need, and most of you know, you need a SIM card. It's simple. You can get this for $1 at a Best Buy, or you can do it online. This company also gives you a free cell phone if you sign up. Amazing deals here. Okay, I was stuck with my company for years, $70, $80 a month. You know, I can't afford that. And even if I can, I'm not giving you 80 bucks, you know? Basically you'll need this SIM kit, right? You get a SIM card, you get a code, you put that code into here, you activate your phone, you're ready to go. Easy. Now, if you have a cell phone, if you have a number, if you have a phone number, okay, a different phone number, you want to switch it over, the only thing you need is you need your passcode and your account number, and you're ready to go. Alright, simple. My other company was trying to rip me off. Man, these people just don't care about you, you know. They just want your money. So this is a great company. Great, simple, easy company. They're not going to harass you or whatever. Everything works fine. Alright. So yeah, if you like this video, thumb this video up. If you my homie, you think these companies are ripping us off, you know, we got to get real. Thumb this video up, brah. Peace out. God bless. Yo.